Hello, students. You'll earn some points and badges as you go through this Student Self-Leadership online course. And here are some tips for you to help you see how many points you've earned or how many badges you've earned, and how many points or how many badges you still need to earn in order to complete the course or to complete a weekly session. So let me share my screen and I'll explain to you how you can do that in an easy, efficient way. All right, so you see the screen here, and the green button in the middle says Ready, Set, Go. So you click the button Ready, Set, Go, and that will take you to all of your weekly courses. So I'm just going to start in orientation week, which is the first assignments that you need to complete for the course. So once I'm in orientation week, I can scroll down, and these are called tiles, and I can see all the work that's required for these different tiles. You'll notice that these tiles are informational tiles. It's welcome, self-study, live session. Read all of those tiles because it gives you information. You'll notice this first tile with the person in the white shirt here, it says, let's get excited for student self-leadership. You'll notice that this is 10 points. So when you watch this video, it'll give you 10 points. When you finish the assignment in that tile, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner a round circle with a check mark. Because I haven't finished this tile yet, there's no check mark in the upper right-hand corner. But like I said, when you finish that work in that one tile, you'll see a check mark in the corner, and then that's how you know that you've completed the work. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you'll see all of these blue ribbons here, all of these lines. What you'll do is you'll click on this, you'll open that, and you'll see all of the assignments that you need to complete, and it'll tell you how many points for different assignments as well. So now you want to check to see how many points you have and how many points you still need. So I'm going to click on this navigation menu button. Here it's in the top left corner, and it's under the house, the home button. So here's a view navigation menu. I'm going to click on this symbol, and it will open up to this page. You'll notice that there's two tabs here. One says badges and one says menu. So I'm going to click on the word badges, and I'm going to scroll down, and I want to see what badges do I still need to do? What work do I still need to complete? Notice it says show me here. Here's what this does. So I'm going to scroll this part up on the right. I'm going to click on this orientation awesome badge. And when I click on this, you'll notice that this highlights in blue. And you'll also notice that the tiles over here on the right will highlight in blue if it's a tile that you need to complete work in. So I'm going to click on Orientation Awesome badge. See that that's highlighted in blue? You see this video is highlighted in blue. So I know that this highlighted area means I need to complete that tile because there's no check mark up here in the corner. So see, this is not highlighted in blue. This is not highlighted in dark blue because these are informational tiles. This one is highlighted in blue, and this one, what's in it for you, and this one right here, student learning journey and program dates. All of these are highlighted in blue, which shows you that you need to complete the work in each of those tiles. All right, so let's go to the next part, and let's click on menu. We're still in the navigation menu here. And this is another way for you to see exactly how many points you need to have and how many points you have earned so far. So if I'm looking in the weekly content, I need 125 points total. And how many have I earned so far? I've only earned 0. So I need to do all of that work to earn the 125 points. This section right here is 23 points total. I don't have any points yet. And this one is 20 points, and this is 0 points so far. You notice if they have a lock on these sections here, it's because they're not open yet. We open 1 week of content each week. And then after it's open, you can always go back and complete any work that you've missed earlier, but you can't go ahead until the course is open for that week. You'll see extras here, and the extras mean that these are extra assignments. You can do them if you want to. There's some great videos on here about students that were entrepreneurs in high school and that earned full ride scholarships. You can look at any of the extras content, but the extras content is not required for you to pass the course. So just the main work is required. The next thing you can do is scroll down here to My Progress. So you see My Progress right here. So watch what happens when I click on My Progress. There will be badges that open on the right side. So you need to earn 12 badges. So these badges are grayed out. And when they're grayed out, that means that you haven't earned them yet. When you earn the badge, it will be highlighted. And this is the leaderboard, and it has the top 10 students in your cohort that have come in as a top 10 in points. Now, if you complete the extras pages and some other fun things, it gives you more points and it gets you higher on the leaderboard. But it doesn't really, the leaderboard does not require how many points you need to take the course, because the leaderboard includes the extra points. So if you want to get high on the leaderboard, you can do the work for the week and the extra points. So those are the three things that I wanted to show you. So you have badges that you can click on to see which ones you need to highlight in your week for that 1 week. You can click on menu and you can find out what you need to do, how many points you need. And then you can click on My Progress, which is where we are right now, to see how many badges are colored in or highlighted. The highlighted badges means the one you've completed. The other means you haven't completed it yet. So I'm going to go back to, let's say I'm in the navigation and I want to go back to home. So I click on the home button here, or I can click on the home button here at the top. I'm going to close the navigation tool, and this is the extras tab. This is what you will see with extra content, extra assignments, if you want to complete those, and it tells you that's extra. And then I'm going to go back to home. And then here's the leaderboard. If you want to just go to the leaderboard, see how many points people have, the top 10. And then here's the events tab. The events tab will show you the Inspire sessions. The students have the Inspire sessions on Tuesdays at 8 a.m. or 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Times. So that's Pacific time. If you miss one of the sessions, the Inspire sessions, you can click in here and they will upload the Inspire session, and you can click on that and you can listen to that, you can watch that, and then you can earn the points. After you've watched it, automatically the points will show up that you've earned for that Inspire session. So if you miss the in-person part of the Inspire session, you can go to the events page and watch the recording and to earn the points. All right, hope that was helpful. All right, I will see you soon in the course.